All right, let's get right into it. We're about to look at some trivia that is so wild, it honestly feels like straight-up magic. And these aren't just random facts. Nope, these are secrets that are going to make you look like an absolute genius.
I mean, who doesn't want that, right? Just picture it. You're at a party, you drop one of these facts, and everyone's jaw just hits the floor. That's the kind of power we are unlocking right now.
So here's the deal. I've got 5 tricks for you today, and they are foolproof. I'm serious. This isn't some guessing game. These are rock-solid, mathematically perfect bits of trivia that work every single time. Prepare to be amazed. Okay, first on the list is a number trick that is so good, it honestly feels like a miracle. I'm not kidding, this one will have people convinced you're some kind of math wizard. Let's get into it.
All right, you can even do this with me right now. Step 1. Just think of any 3-digit number, but make sure the digits aren't all the same. Let's say 537. Cool. Step 2. Now take those digits and arrange them from biggest to smallest. So that's 753, and then smallest to biggest, which is 357. Step 3. Super simple. Just subtract the smaller number from the bigger one. So 753 minus 357 gives us 396. You still with me? Good. Step 4. Now just reverse that number. 396 becomes 693. And for the grand finale, just add those two new numbers together. What do you get when you add 396 and 693?
The answer is 1089. And get this, it is always 1089. It doesn't matter what number you start with. Seriously, pause this and try it with a different number. It works every time. It's pure, mind-bending math magic.
Okay, so if you thought that was cool, you're gonna love this next one. It's even quicker and, honestly, just as weird. I like to call it unbreakable math magic.
This is a great one to do with a friend. Just ask them to think of a number, anything from 1 to 9. They don't have to tell you what it is. Okay, got it? Now, you tell them to multiply that secret number by 9. They should get a 2-digit number. And for the last step, all they have to do is add those 2 digits together.
And here's the crazy part, no matter what number they picked, the answer is always 9. Always. Let's say they pick 7. Well, 7 times 9 is 63, and 6 plus 3 is, you guessed it, 9. What if they pick 3? 3 times 9 is 27, and 2 plus 7 is 9. It just always works.
All right, let's switch from pure math over to the world of probability. Now, this next one isn't just a cool fact, it's a bet. A bet you can make at your next party that you are almost guaranteed to win. It's famously known as the birthday paradox.
So here's how it works. You just need a room with 23 people in it. That's it. Doesn't sound like a lot of people, does it? Then you pose the question, what do you think the chances are that any 2 people in this room have the same birthday? I mean, most people are going to say, no way, the odds are super low.
Well, they'd be wrong. In a group of just 23 people, there is an incredible 50% chance that 2 of them share a birthday. I know, it sounds impossible, but the math is solid. It's literally a coin flip.
But wait, it gets even crazier. What if we up the number of people? Let's say we have a room of 70 people. Not a huge crowd, right? What do you think the odds are now? Maybe 75%? Nope. It jumps to 99.9%. It's pretty much a guarantee. It makes no sense, which is exactly why they call it a paradox. You can bet your friends on this, and trust me, you'll win.
Okay, for our next piece of brain-melting trivia, let's talk about time. We've all said it, right? I'll be there in a jiffy. But what if I told you a jiffy isn't just a saying? It's a real, actual, scientific unit of time.
Yeah, that's right. It's not just a cute way of saying in a little bit. Scientists, especially in physics and computer engineering, actually use the term jiffy for a very specific measurement. So next time someone says that, you've got a fun fact ready to go.
So, we think a jiffy is like a minute, maybe 2. The reality? It's 1/100th of a second. So, if your friend says they'll be ready in just a jiffy and then takes 10 minutes, you can now inform them they are off by about 59,990 jiffies. And for our last one, we're going from human measurements to something much bigger. We're talking about a hidden code that seems to be built into the very fabric of the universe. I'm talking about the Fibonacci sequence, and it is hiding in plain sight all around us. So the really wild part is just how everywhere this pattern is. You know the sequence, right? Where each number is just the sum of the 2 before it. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and on it goes. Well, you can find it in the spirals of sunflower seeds, the scales on a pine cone, the very proportions of your own face, and even in the giant swirling arms of galaxies. Seriously, next time you see a pine cone, count the spirals. You'll always find a Fibonacci number. It's incredible.
And the takeaway here is that this isn't just some random coincidence. It's like nature itself is following a mathematical code. From a tiny little plant all the way up to a massive galaxy, they're all playing by the same rules. It's a seriously mind-bending idea when you think about it.
And there you go. 5 pretty simple but totally powerful bits of trivia that feel like pure magic. You can use these anywhere, anytime. You're now officially equipped with some amazing party tricks for life.
So I gotta know, which one are you gonna try first? Are you gonna test out that 1089 trick? Or are you gonna go win some bets with the birthday paradox? Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're most excited about.
Hey, if you liked having your mind blown a little bit today, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. We put out explainers like this all the time, full of facts that'll make you the most interesting person at any gathering. Thanks so much for watching.